This moss and stone square grill pan is great for indoor cooking. It has a 9.5-inch size. The pan is copper and non-stick. You can saute and fry with it. It works on induction cooktops. This copper pan is good for meats and vegetables. It is also an aluminum griddle. The pan has a non-stick surface. You can use it on your stovetop. The moss and stone square grill pan helps you cook indoors. It's like having a grill inside your kitchen. You can get those nice grill marks on your food. This pan makes cooking easy. The non-stick surface means food won't stick. Cleaning the pan is also simple. You won't spend a lot of time scrubbing. This pan could change how you cook. It might even change your opinion about indoor grilling. For anyone looking to purchase a good grill pan, consider this one. The moss and stone square grill pan offers a lot. It's versatile for different foods. Think about grilling steaks or vegetables. You could even try making pancakes on it. While we can't give it a specific rank without a direct comparison, many users find it useful. Instructions for care are usually included. This pan won't take up too much counter space. It's a solid choice for your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, lightweight design, comfortable handle, heats evenly. Multifunctional, induction compatible, oven safe, PFOA free, durable build, pour spouts. Removable handle. Cons: scratches easily, uneven heating possible, not ideal for high heat, non-stick may degrade. Can react with acid, may give metallic taste, harder to clean fully, not always oven safe. Features: square grill pan, indoor cooking 9.5-inch size, frying pan, copper color, non-stick, saute pan, fry pan, induction ready. For meats, this 9.5-inch moss and stone square grill pan is made for cooking inside your house. It's a copper-colored frying pan with a non-stick surface, which means food won't stick easily, making it great for sautéing and frying. You can even use it on induction stoves. This aluminum griddle is designed to help you cook meats and vegetables, giving them those nice grill marks like you get from an outdoor grill. It's lightweight and easy to clean, making cooking simpler. This moss and stone square grill pan is designed for indoor cooking and features a 9.5-inch copper non-stick surface, making it suitable for sautéing and frying meats and vegetables with grill marks. Its aluminum build makes it lightweight, and it has a comfortable, potentially removable handle and pour spouts for convenience. The pan heats evenly and is multifunctional, compatible with induction cooktops, and may be oven safe. It is also PFOA free and designed to be durable and easy to clean. However, the non-stick surface may scratch easily and degrade over time, and uneven heating is possible. It is not recommended for high heat, can react with acidic foods, potentially imparting a metallic taste, and might be harder to clean fully, with oven safety not always guaranteed.